Hello everyone, my name is Husnan Arif and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about and learn the skills of how to remove background from a photo. As you can see that this is the first picture which have a background in it, and without using any kind of softwares or without having any kind of graphic designing skills, I have able to remove the background from this picture with super duper easy method, and in this video I'm going to share that easy method with you. So before moving ahead, if this is the first time, if you are visiting my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and hit up the notification icon as well, so that whenever I post the new videos or any kind of new tutorial, you always get the notification, and you keep on continuing and learning the digital art. So let's get things started. So here we are. This is the website that I'm going to use, and you can also use this website, and it is free to use. The website name is remove.bg. All you need to do is just drag and drop or upload your image on this website, and it is going to do each and everything for you with just a simple click. So I have these two pictures, and I'm going to show you how these pictures look like, and then I'm going to use these two pictures and show you how the website works. So first of all, I will take this image and just drag and drop it here, and as you can see that this is the original picture, and just by uploading it and just clicking the button, the background has been removed. And similarly, you can just hit the download icon and download the image, and you can see over here that the background from the image has been removed. This is the original image, and this is the image without the background. So it is that much easy. And what's more, in case if you want to edit something else, if you want to change the background of the image and want to use your own background, you can also do that as well. But without any other discussion, I would like to share over here that if you want to know more about how to change the background, you just need to hit the edit button over here, and the website is going to show you with different built-in templates that you can easily utilize. As you can see from here, there are so many backgrounds that you can choose among and share it with others. So let's try a background. So in case if you want to try out these background, you just need to hit click, and here you can see the background of the picture has been changed. And similarly, if you want to try any other background, you can also do so as well. Just hit the click icon and the background of the image will be changed. As you can see that the background has been changed, and you can just hit the download button and download the new image with the new background. So this is how easy it is to remove and change the background of an image. So that's how you can do that. And in case if you want to change the background and want to upload the background of your own choice, you can also do that as well. All you need to do is just hit the upload background button from here, and you can choose your own background and you can easily paste it over here. So this is very easy, no graphic designing skills required. All you need to do is just come to the website, upload the image, and hit the remove background button and download your image, and that's it. That's how easy it is. So added advantages, you can also add your own background as well. So each and everything is free. So thank you guys. This is it from today's tutorial, and you have seen that how easy it is to remove the background of an image without having the knowledge of any graphic designs or any software at all. Just drag and drop and the background of the image is removed. The website link is available in the description. So in the end, I would just like to say thank you for visiting Hasnan Arif. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and keep watching. Thank you so much.